and welcome to Grandad Reviews. In this video we're going to take a very quick look at using the Canon 50mm 1.8 STM lens on Fuji cameras. So this is the Nifty 50, or the Plastic Fantastic as I like to call it. Got a good fast aperture of 1.8, and the 50mm on the Fringer adapter makes it about a 75mm. So I thought I'd do a very quick look. How it performs on the Fuji camera with the Fringer adapter. Now as this is a full frame lens, you can actually use it on a speed booster. So I've got the Viltrox speed booster, which I've tried it on, and yep, it does work quite well. You get the full 50mm instead of it being a 75, and you get a bit extra light, so it actually becomes a f1.3 on that. But the only problem with the Viltrox adapter is that this Canon 50mm isn't listed on their compatibility list, and the autofocus is a bit hit and miss. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's all over the place. But on the Fringer, yeah, it's pretty good. So we'll just have a look at that test I did, and you'll see how it worked with just focusing from close to far away, and how it continuously autofocused on me walking towards the camera, taking shots and in video. So let's have a look at that now. So as you can see, it worked quite well. The AF isn't quite as good as a native Fuji lens, but it's usable. When it gets it right, and it's pretty fast. And as for the face tracking, yeah, it's not bad at all. And so for like a portrait lens or just a general use lens, it's excellent. And it's cheap. Even if you factor in the Fringer adapter, it becomes quite a cheap setup. As I say, if you're going to have a few Canon lenses, the Fringer adapter becomes cheaper because you're splitting it between them. But yeah, it's a great addition to your kit and a very useful lens. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. That helps the channel. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, see you later.